Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the finals of the Shillong Premier League 2023. Maulai Sports Club versus Ranglajet United Football Club. There you go on your screens. The first 11 for both sides. For Maulai Sports Club, Sainil Rimbai as your goalkeeper. Jersey number 3, Brolington Wallapi, the captain. Jersey number 12, Banrap Langpin Group. Jersey number 2, Banskem Lang Maulong. Jersey number 16, Full Moon Mukim. Jersey number 27, Robertson MK. Jersey number 7, Kevin Rimbai. Jersey number 11, Fleming Suting. Jersey number 30, Arkibor Makro. Jersey number 10, Donald Dengdo. Jersey number 5, Bayakera Swear. Representing Ranglajet United FC, this is jersey number 1, Ban Chance Kem Khasanti, the goalkeeper. Jersey number 2, Apol Langkurba. Jersey number 15, Arlanki Nongsej. Jersey number 4, Aibiang Nongneng. Jersey number 27, Balam Linti Kongji, the captain. Jersey number 16, Debormi Kasar. Jersey number 6, Tremiki Lamurong. Jersey number 13, Robert Kongjo. Jersey number 18, Benny V. Kriam. Jersey number 14, Enam Jerwa. Jersey number 7, 8 Langs Aimley. This promises to be one cracker of a game. The coach for Maulai Sports Club, Hering Shangpiang, and for the coach of Ranglajet is A. Sharap. On your screens again, together the names as well as the substitutes out there, as you can see. Lambha Miki Lamare, the goalkeeper. Krau Kupar Jana, Pinbha Suting, Dajet Lang Wan Shnong, Romarius Laban, Reformer Pale, and Mark J. Shabang for Maulai Sports Club. And for Ranglajet United FC, the substitutes: Yalam Lang Biam, the goalkeeper. Damiki Kongstia, Bansan Nibha Kongsdam, Stefan Pale, San Kupar Kong Malai, NS Star Malangyang, and Wanam Sop Nong Klao. So these are the players. And there you go, the first 11 lining up with the referees taking the center stage. It's raining out here in Shillong. It's a cold afternoon. 16 degrees. But I'm sure the weather won't play a spoil spot. This is at the first ground in Polo, the finals of the Shillong Premier League, organized by the Shillong Sports Association. There you go on your screen. In blue, Ranglajet United FC. The captain on your screen, jersey number 27, Balamkinti Kongji. Ranglajet United players looking very confident. They know they have the upper edge. They have defeated Maulai in the league round. So psychologically, they are ahead. But you may never know. This is a different day, a different ball game altogether. You may never know what will happen today. It's the 11th of May 2024. And on your screen, as you can see, players in yellow. They are representing Maulai Sports Club. Their captain, Brolington Wallarpi. And on your screen, the chief guest, Mr. D.P. Walling, the Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya. And as the Maulai players, Brolington Wallarpi introducing all the players to the chief guest, that is D.P. Walling, followed by Eugene Sen Lingdo, a name that is one of the famous names Meghalaya football has ever produced. Played for Ranglajet, is the owner of Ranglajet. Played for Bengaluru FC, played for Lajong, brought laurels to the state as well. And the other members of Shillong Sports Association greeting the players, congratulating them that they're in the finals and conveying their best wishes that the best team may win. This is going to be a cracker of a game, and I promise you, Ranglajet and Maulai, they know they have so much to play for. A group photograph on your screen. These are memories that will be etched forever. We'll wait and watch. And as you can see, referees making sure that both sides give their support to the supporters as well. Supporters are coming down in numbers out here. It's a Saturday, it's a weekend. It's raining, but that is not dampening the spirits at all. So there you go. The referee is taking the center stage as to show who will start with the kickoff. And as the toss, there you go, Maulai will take the center stage. Another post-op photograph, pre-op photograph. The referees for today's game, the main referee, Lightstar Khardoit, assistant referee 1, D Ing T, assistant referee 2, S. Dotdang, and the fourth official, D. Karumba. And Ranglajet players making their last-minute strategies, discussing their last-minute strategies, making sure that yes, and there you go, Maulai on your screen right now. Maulai wearing the yellow, green, yellow. Ranglajet wearing blue, black, black on your screen. Maulai starting from right to left on your screen, and Ranglajet starting from left to right. And for a brief moment right now, the rain has actually stopped, and here you go, Maulai passing away the ball to make sure that none of them, the team is not in danger. The goalkeeper, Simil Rimbai. Defenders of Maulai. A long ball towards the right wing, but unfortunately too long to take. It's a throw-in in favor of Ranglajet United. Ranglajet with that throw. Jersey number 18. Ranglajet couldn't control the ball. Here comes Maulai. Trying to dribble past one, past two, but unfortunately not that efficient enough. And I guess Ranglajet players appealing for offside, but not quite the appeal, not in favor of them. Wasn't an offside and all. And here comes Ranglajet with that kick. Unfortunately, the ball has gone out. A throw-in. Probably a foul. Yes, a foul has been committed. And Simil Rimbai with the ball now, the goalkeeper of Maulai. Tackle away by Ranglajet's jersey number 18. Out there, Benny Kriam. Here comes Ranglajet. A nice looking pass, but easy for Simil Rimbai. Passing it on to his teammate, the captain, Brolington Wallapi. Looking for options, an experienced customer, but he knows he can't just make those useless passes, and he backs it off to his teammate, the goalkeeper, Simil Rimbai. Here comes Ranglajet. Ranglajet's jersey number 14 giving that pass. Enam Jirwa to jersey number 18, Benny. Ranglajet. Little bit of short passes out there, but unfortunately tackled away by Maulai players. Simil Rimbai clearing away that ball. Brolington with the ball now, and it's a throw in favor of Ranglajet United. Jersey number 6 out there on your screen. That's Trimiki Lamurang of Ranglajet. Here comes Ranglajet United. Here you are, Aburlang. Across. What can Ranglajet do out here? That's Robert Khongjaw. Coming down the wing. Robert Khongjaw. Looking for options. Doesn't find any. Tries to cross but is blocked. And it's a throw in favor of Ranglajet. Here's Ranglajet. A back pass. From the left. Looking for options. Unfortunately gathered safely by Simil Rimbai. A long shot. That's long enough. Could this be Maulai's moment out here? They're quite close and appealing for a handball out there, but then Referee knows it. He's the best judge on the field. Maulai with the ball now. Brolington looking for options. He goes diagonally right. But unfortunately, the ball skids away. It's raining. And as you can see, it's an artificial turf, so the ball will skid very fast. Here's Ranajit United. A tiki-taka style out there. Goes down the left wing. Jersey number 7, Rangjit. That was 8 Langs Imle trying to get that ball, but unfortunately it's a goal kick. Brolington with the ball now. Looking for options down his left. A run by Maulai out there, but unfortunately that was jersey number 7, Kevin Rimbai, making that run. And it's a corner in favor of Maulai. The first corner of the game. Jersey number 27, Robertson M. Kongria will take that shot. Signal. Good corner, but way too much for Full Moon Mukim to go in for anything. It's a throw in favor of Rangjit. Jersey number 27, Balam Kingti Khongji with the ball now, and as he passes, it's jersey number 4, Balam Kingti Khongji. Once again to jersey number 18, Benny. Good ball out there. Back to Benny again. Benny passing it to jersey number 15, Arlanki. Going diagonally right, but unfortunately Maulai with the ball now. Here comes Rangjit. Towards the left. That is jersey number 13, Robert Khongjo. Looking for options, but he can't get any. A lot of scrambling happening out there. And there you can see Ivan Job shut up, the coach of Rangjit United, trying to tell Rangjit players, you're playing too close probably. Here comes Maulai. Simil Rimbai giving the ball to the defender. Jersey number 27 of Maulai with the ball now, but easily tackled away by Rangjit's Apporlang Kurba. The captain Balam Kinti Khongji now with the ball. Beautiful ball by Brolington, making sure that there is no mistakes. Samuel Rimbai with the collection. The goalkeeper of Maulai. So on your screen, for those who have joined us, Maulai are playing in yellow, green and yellow, while Rangjit United are playing in blue, black, blue. This is the first half of the finals of the Shillong Premier League 2023 being held at Polo First Ground. A good ball, but easy collection to the goalkeeper of Rangjit United. That's Banchan Skem Khasentir. Jersey number 2, Apporlang Kurba. He is an experienced customer as well. Down the line with that ball, jersey number 7 of Rangjit. 8 Langs Imle, not quite getting the collection out there. It falls into Simil Rimbai's hands. Gives it away to his teammate. A pass down the line and a wastage of a pass out there. Throw in favor of Rangjit. The captain, Balam Kingti. Balam Kingti now with the ball. Here comes jersey number 15 of Rangjit. Arlanki Nongse. Passes it back to the goalkeeper. Banchan Skem shoots it towards the area of the Maulai half, but a back pass to Siwil Rimbai. not quite posing any danger at the moment, and probably both the teams have had fair share of possession as we speak. Thankfully, the rains have stopped. People have come in huge numbers, and a long ball, but just for Banchans Khem to take it easily, and he handles it great, giving it to jersey number 4, Aibiang Nongning. This is Civil Rimbai now with the ball, and he makes the adjustment. A header by jersey number 30, Arkibor Mauro. Here comes Arkibor Mauro again. Lot of dribbling out there, but easily tackled by Debormi Kasar, jersey number 16. The referee considering that to be a foul, and quickly free kick taken. Here comes Maulai, wasting no time. A good ball out there. They're inside the D of Rangda Jade, but unfortunately, the turf being slippery, they're not being able to adjust to the weather conditions for the moment. It will take time, no doubt. You are in one of the rainiest places on earth at the moment, and players need to be skillful to adapt to that kind of weather, as well as the pitch surface. Rangda Jade with the ball now, and a throw in favor of Rangda Jade, as the assistant referee one points out. Here comes Rangda Jade. The back pass to the goalkeeper Banchans Khem. Banchans Khem looking for options, and he goes to the right wing, jersey number 7. That was 8 Langs Aimley. Disappointment in the end, not quite getting that ball. Throw in favor of Maulai, and Maulai quickly throws in. Jersey number 15, Rangda Jade gets in the ball, and that was Arlanki Nongsit passing it to jersey number 4, Aibiang Nongning. Aibiang Nongning looking for options, gets his captain, Balam Kanti. Danger out there, and yes, that is a foul. Jersey number 10. A foul on jersey number 15, as you can see. Arlanki Nongsit. Assistant referee did wave the flag on the far end. Free kick being taken. Jersey number 4, Aibiang Nongning, looking for options. Passes it on. Good header by the Maulai counterpart. And it's a throw-in favor of Rangda Jade. Abolang with the ball now. Passes it on to jersey number 15, Arlanki. A throw-in for Maulai. Right, Maulai with those clean passes. Fortunately, none of them going for the ball, and here comes jersey number 15, Arlanki Nongse, passing it to his captain, Balam Kinti, the goalkeeper, Banchans Khem, jersey number 15, Arlanki. 1-2 going on. Not getting the space. Here comes Akbar Langkurba, but a miss pass. They're not quite getting the collection that he's supposed to do. Here comes Maulai with a long throw. A lot of tackling. That was jersey number 27. Robertson M. Kongre out there fighting with Apor Langkurba. In the end, Apor Langkurba showing he had more metal. Here comes Rangda Jade United. Jersey number 16. Debormi Kasar. Again to 15. Arlanki Nongse looking for options. Gets jersey number 6. A good turn out there. Jersey number 6. Trimiki Lumdong looking for options on his right. Here comes jersey number 7. 8 Lang. He has nowhere to go. He's looking for options. Here comes Rangjit from the right. 8 Lang again. He knows if he pass forward, it'll be an offside. They have to square it in. Good header in the end. Good clearance by Maulai. But still the ball in possession of Rangjit United. Jersey number 4, Aibyang Nongning. Left footer. Quickly taken. But unfortunately, Maulai did clear that, but it went off to the outside the line for a throw in, and here comes Rangjit. Good tackle out there by Maulai. Once again, here comes Rangjit. The cross was correct, but no one at that position to take that ball away, and headed away by Burlington. But still the ball yet in possession of Rangjit. Burlington making sure that the ball is out of danger. Once again, Burlington making sure that he gets it away to his right. Maulai, coached by Hering Shankliang. Good ball out there, but easily intercepted by Abdullah Kurba. Experience in the end really matters. Throw in favor of Rangjit. Goalkeeper. Miss pass, which happens in a game of football very often, but not that quite often in a final game altogether. Here comes a throw from Maulai, and that's let off. It's a goal kick in favor of Rangjit. Taking their time, taking a breather. Rangjit goalkeeper Banshanskem Kharsentir. There, as you can see, people have come in, flocked in huge numbers to watch the finals. The winners carry a cash prize of 3 lakh rupees, while the runners-up will get half of that. It's 1.5. Free kick in favor of Rangjit. And it's jersey number 16 who will take it. Gives it back to jersey number 15, Arlanki Nongset. Captain doing wonders of wonders, passing it back to Aibyang Nongning. Aibyang Nongning knows he can't just squeeze that ball pass in, because the Meghalaya defenders are just waiting out there like a pack of wolves. Here comes in the long ball to jersey number 7, 8 Lang's Imle, but it's way far to his reach. Jersey number 30 of Maulai, Arkibor Makro with a throw in. Down to his right, easily headed away by jersey number 15, that is Arlanki Nongset. Again a throw in, Arkibor Makro. Here comes jersey number 2, Aborlang with the pass. Easily shielded away. And Siwel Rimbai with that kick. Headed by jersey number 15, Arlanki Nongset. Here comes jersey number 6 of Rangjit, passing it to jersey number 14. Referee sees no foul, but he points his hand in favor of Maulai out there. They quickly take it. No wasting time, as you can see. Jersey number 5, Bayakamar Swear. Again, it's Rangjit with the ball. Jersey number 18, Benny Kriam. Once again to his teammate, to the goalkeeper, Banshanskem. Getting it to Arlanki Nongset. Pass and a miss pass. Aborlang Kurba was just a spectator out there. Here comes a throw in for Arkibor Makro. Rangjit players know they can't just give the ball away like that. Such passes, such missed pass can cost them. And if they really want to push themselves ahead, their passes need to be neat as well as consistency. Here comes Rangnajit from the left. And a foul out there on jersey number 13, Robert Khongja. What can Rangnajit do at this point? Free kick. They know they really have to square that in. A good ball, but Brolington making sure that the danger is out of their reach. Maulai down the line. Unfortunately, Rangnajit with the possession of the ball. Jersey number 4 trying to clear it away. He's the captain, but it's a jersey number 4, Aibyang Nongning. And so throw in for Rangnajit. That was a good ball just now, but Brolington Wallarpi making sure that the team didn't let in any goal at that moment. A missed pass. Jersey number 6 of Rangnajit, Trimiki Lumrong, is missing that out. The ball with Benny Kriem in the moment. Short passes, probably that's what is the norm of the day. Maulai. Brolington gives a long ball, a long through ball, but only for jersey number 15, Arlanki Nongse, to pass it to his custodian. Arlanki Nongse looking for options. Gets one at the center, but not judging that ball well was jersey number 14, Enam Jirwa. It's in favor of Maulai position right now at the moment. Jersey number 5, Bayakara Swear, but his pass goes out. And beautiful, lovely take out there by Arlanki Nongse. Rangnajit with the ball. Here comes jersey number 6, Trimiki. Good 1-2 out there with Enam Jirwa. Here comes jersey number 7, 8 Lang, and a good defending by Maulai's jersey number 30, Arkibar Makro. Corner in favor of Rangnajit. Jersey number 18, Benny Kriem, will take that. Shoots, but safe hands of Simil Rimbai. Sees options. Here comes Maulai. Beautiful pass out there. Jersey number 27 of Maulai with the ball, but clearance out there from Rangnajit's jersey number 16. Right, there you go, the goalkeeper passing it to jersey number 16, Debomi Masar. That was cleared initially by Debomi Masar. Rangnajit with the ball. Once again, giving it back to his custodian, Banchan Skem. Here comes Rangnajit. Arlanki Nongse. Abballang Kurba. A lot of box practices right now. This is jersey number 6, Trimiki, but unfortunately the ball goes out. Here comes Abballang Kurba with the throw. Good ball in the end, but a gentle tap in favor of Maulai. Goalkeeper Simil Rimbai clearing it away. Here comes Maulai. Maulai with that ball. A good ball by Maulai. Could this be the opening goal? And appealing for a penalty out there, but referee paying no heed. What a ball that was. Jersey number 27 out there, Robertson Kongria, going for it. The referee saying that was no foul at all. Disgusted with that decision, but here comes Maulai again. With that corner, once again cleared away by jersey number 16, Debarmi Kasar. And Maulai getting another corner in their favor. Here comes a shot. And that's the header! And that's the first goal! The first goal to Maulai. The first blood has been drawn. Well, let us see who has actually scored that goal. Right, this was the replay taken by jersey number 27, Robertson Kongria, with that delivery. There comes a free header and Donla Dingdo. What a brilliant header that was. If you look at that replay out there, that goal gave them the courtesy. That goal gave them the lead. And that goal won Maulai the Shillong Premier League 2023. Here comes Rangnajit. Boot tackle out there with both legs, and yes, that will see a card. That will be a card, and yes, a yellow card only. Probably the Maulai bench not happy with that decision because he went with two legs out there. A dangerous looking tackle. The referee only giving a yellow card, and that was to jersey number 2 that was fouled out there from Maulai, Bans Khemlang Maulong. A dangerous play. It's all up to the referee. Here comes Brolins. Bollang Kurba with the ball now. Rangnajit United trying to get that through pass, but then Arkibor Makro making sure he's the wall they need to pass through, and then at this particular moment, then Rangnajit United are not being able to pass through that wall of Burlington and Arkibor Makro. Once again, a clearance by the defenders of Maulai, but no one out there. But they are the driving seat. Maulai have taken an early lead. Here comes Maulai with that ball again. Oh, very good ball, but too much for jersey number 7, Robertson, to chase. What a ball that was. Well, probably an offside call has been made by the referee, assistant referee, sorry. And here comes Rangnajit now attacking from left to right on your screen. Maulai going from right to left. The captain, jersey number 27, Balam Kingti Khongji, now needs to think of strategies and ways to push their team to find that equalizer. Jersey number 6, lovely skill out there. Tremiki. Abollang Kurba. Has no other option but to look back at Arlanki. And a foul out there from Maulai. So with one goal, Maulai leading. Jersey number 18, Benny Kriam, will take the shot. What will he do? Will he pass or just scoop it over? He does scoop it over, but again the brave defense and probably an offside has been called. Simil Rimbai passing it to his teammate. Here comes Maulai again, but a push, and that's a foul. Free kick in favor of Maulai. Quickly taken. Arkibor Makro. A header from Apkibor and the custodian, Banshan Skem Kasentio, collecting it coolly. Aibyang Nongning with the ball, getting it to his captain. Balamkunti now the ball with jersey number 15, Arlanki. Here comes jersey number 7, 8 Lang. That's a foul by Maulai's jersey number 12, Banraplang Pin Group. The kick directly to the feet out there of Rangajet's. There you see, lying on the ground. But he's back. Jersey number 7, that was 8 Lang. Discussing out there the strategies of who will take the free kick. There are 6 of them. 6 different permutations and combinations. Let's see who will eventually take that kick. Probably they've decided of how to go about. Jersey number 27 of Maulai probably trying to break that rhythm. Robertson. Here comes jersey number 18, Benny. What strategy will this be? And that pass, but lack of concentration probably. Probably the pass was too slow. Here comes Maulai. Probably Maulai did decipher that pass. A yellow card to the captain of Rangajet, Balamkunti Khongji out there. Injured player. The bench really looking not so happy with the decisions that the referees have made. Taking a breather, both the teams. There you go. Ibanjov Sharap as well as Iberlong Khongji out there giving the tips and tricks of how to break the monotony of Maulai. Civil Rimbai with the ball. Mind you, Rangajet did defeat Maulai during the league rounds and they won it 2-1. That was on the 26th of April. Like I said, every day is not Sunday. Here comes Maulai with a clearance. Good ball out there, but Rangajet up Lang with the ball. 8 Lang looking for spaces, looking for options. Benny with the ball, and that was the captain's clearance out there. Here comes Benny after dodging 2 players from Maulai, but Brolington with that clearance, he did come with the bag and baggage of committing a foul. Right, discussion amongst them as to who will take the free kick. Very important for Rangnajit. To make sure that they can equalize at this time. Psychologically, they will have some edge as well. But at the moment, it's Maulai that are leading from the front. They won't make that mistake anymore of the permutations and combinations that occurred. Here comes Rangnajit with that shot, but the shot that no one would have thought of, taken by the Rangnajit player, way above the goalkeeper's head, way above the goalkeeper, the Maulai's goalpost as well. So not disturbing the frame bar. A lot of here comes Rangnajit with the ball, but easily a back pass out here. Here comes Aitlang, and that pass easily decepted by jersey number 12, Ban Raplang Pin Group of Maulai. Here comes Rangnajit with a throw. Jersey number 16, Debormi Masar, to jersey number 15, Alanki Nongset. This is a push out there from Maulai, and it's raining, as you can see on your screens. Early monsoons out here in the beautiful region of Shillong. 3 players marking the wall out there. Could this be the moment for Rangnajit to equalize? The 3 players running around out there. That shot being taken, but Cyril Rimbai making sure he is behind that. Right, here comes Maulai. Cyril Rimbai with that shot, but the captain Balamkinti Khangji with that clearance. Maulai with a throw-in. Not quite the throw that you expected, and again they get that throw. Clearance from Rangnajit. Once again a throw-in favor of Maulai. Again a throw-in favor of Maulai. So Maulai in the driving seat, inching closer and closer towards the half of Rangnajit. A slip out there, and Rangnajit being able to capitalize on that slip. Chance Kem, the goalkeeper. Arlamki looking for options, and his clearance not far as Maulai's players are concerned. Here comes jersey number 27, Robertson. Good tackle out there by jersey number 15, Arlamki Nongsek, and a foul in the end that has been given by the referee. Benny making sure that it's safe to pass it to Banchans Kem Karsapio. Right, here comes Arlamki with that ball, but Aitlang can only be a spectator. Trimiki running after it. He knows a crucial goal out here can do wonders to them. It'll do them, and do him and the team a world of good. Maulai from the other end, coming in from the right wing, but easily intercepted out there. Here comes Rangnajit. Jersey number 16, Devomi Masar. One-on-one with his teammate out there. Arlanki now with the ball. Goes past one, goes past two. Arlanki now playing a role of a midfielder, but once again the ball goes back. Here is jersey number 4, Aibiang Nongneng, going for the diagonal ball to jersey number 7. That was 8 Lang, but unfortunately, it was Brolington. Now Brolington with the ball, going diagonally for his teammate. Across. Throw in favor of Maulai. Robert Kongjo with that tackle. The referee says there is a foul. Brolington taking his time out there as advised by the members in the bench. They know that 1 goal cushion is there, but 1 goal is not enough. Huge supporters from both sides. Brolington with a free kick. Good shot towards the goal, but the header not really troubling Banshanskem Karsentew at all. Goal kick, and he takes it very quickly. Here comes the captain, Balam Kinti. Again, back pass to Banshanskem. And a miss pass again. Have a look at that. Couple of miss passes. Here comes jersey number 27, Robertson. Right, Robertson with that pass, but that shot really not quite the shot that we were looking for, and a foul being given. Jersey number 10 out there, the goal scorer, Donlad Dengdo, not happy with that cross at all. Here comes Donlad Dengdo, but the defense of Rangdaje too strong for him to pass through. Robert Kongjo from the left, from the right, I'm sorry. Easily intercepted away by Maulai players. Maulai out here, looking for options. They know they can't just squander the ball away. They're still at a goal, leading by a goal, but that's not enough. Because you may never know, Rangdaje could bounce back at any moment from now on. Here comes Maulai with that pass. Let me tell you, a pass of that power will always take the ball way ahead. It has rained, so the outfield is wet, and being an artificial turf all the more. Here comes Abolang Kurba, and not quite really disturbing the danger zone belonging to Siwal Rimbai, and easily marking very well out there by Brolington Wallarpi. Maulai on the far right, looking for options. It's Maulai's number 12 out there, Bandra Plangpin Group. The stalwarts out there, Bandra Plangpin Group, Arkibor Makro and Brolington. Reminding you of the AC Milan days when you had Nesta, Maldini and Japstam. And the pass out there, both the players. Here's jersey number 15. What can he do? Arlanki. Eklang looking for options. He gets Abolang Kurba across. No one out there to collect. Here's the captain. What can he do? Will he take matters in his own hands? He falls. Not quite a decision in his favor. Maulai clearing it away. Right, Rangdaje with the ball now. Rangdaje, it's number 4, Aibiang Nongneng. Arlanki with the ball now. He's got space in the middle. 8 Lang with the ball to his right. Aboard Langkurba. Assistant referee 2 says that that was an offside, so hence free kick in favor of Maulai. Right, Rangda Jade. Jersey number 7, 8 Lang. Trying to go past Brolington. Brolington, an experienced customer out there. He knows he wanted to make that switch and he clears it away. Headed away by Arlamki. Jersey number 16 out there, Debormi Pasar. Once again, Rangda Jade going a lot on the far right hand side. This is Trimiki. Abor Langkurba with the cross, but not quite the cross that he intended to make. Here comes Maulai with the ball. A lot of pushing, a lot of shoving happening out there. And brilliant nutmeg out there, and a foul by the goal scorer, Donlad Dingdo. Quickly taken free kick by Rangda Jade. They know they can't waste any time at the moment. The captain, Balamlinti Khongji. Good through ball, but too much. Too much for Rangda Jade. Jersey number 7, that was 8 Lang to go for that. With that clearance, Maulai. But it's now, most of the possession has been in favor of Rangda Jade, which is just that one brilliant corner that Maulai had, and Donlad Dingdo made sure that he capitalized on that moment. Made sure that Maulai had the upper hand, and as you can see, Rangda Jade all the way had lost just to one team, and that was Langsning 6-0. Let's see. Here comes Rangda Jade, captain. Balamlinti Khongji. Maulai with the ball. And that's the whistle. The first half coming to an end, ladies and gentlemen. And it's Maulai who has taken the early lead. A goal from Donlad Dingdo. Maulai supporters and fans out there, and we take a quick break and we'll be back with the second half in a short while from now. Welcome back everyone, good afternoon. This is the second half of the finals of the Shillong Premier League 2023 between Rangda Jade United and Maulai Sports Club. Well, to our viewers, Maulai Sports Club have taken the lead, courtesy a goal from jersey number 10 of Maulai, Donlad Dingdo. What strategies and plans does Ivan Job Sharap have for his team to make sure that they come back in this half? We'll wait and watch. While Maulai at the moment are further in the driving seat. So the referees for today's game, Lightstar Khardoj, the main referee. A cross out there by Rangda Jade, but cleared by Maulai. Maulai getting these early shivers of the second half. Here comes Rangda Jade again. They know they really need that equalizer. Assistant referee 1, D Ing T. Assistant referee 2, S. Dotadong. And the fourth official, or the fourth referee, is D. Karumbai. Jersey number 4 out here. On your screens, Ayuang Nongneng. To jersey number 15, Arlanki Nongse. Tries to get that ball in, but Abbol Langkurba. To Abbol Langkurba. A throw in his favour. Rangrajit with that long ball, and jersey number 11. I think that is the first substitute that has been taken. Wanlam Suk Nongklao. Jersey number 12 of Maulai. Banraplang Pin Group. Here comes Maulai. Jersey number 11. Fleming Sooting. Rangrajit at the moment, and that's a foul being committed. Here comes Rangrajit taking it very quickly. For all our viewers, Maulai are leading. Courtesy a goal from Donla Dingdo, a brilliant header from that corner kick. Can they get another goal to cement themselves in this match and be the obvious winners, or can Rangrajit come back in style? They did defeat Maulai in the league rounds, mind you, 2-1. Here comes Maulai, jersey number 11. The pass was really not that great for jersey number 2. Once Kemlong Maulong to chase. Here comes Rangrajit now. The captain, Banlam Kitty Khonji. Custodian Banchams Kem Khasante with that ball. But an interception from Maulai, and well intercepted again. It was a very bad pass from Rangrajit, but he really did make amends. Arlanki Nongsej out there. Then jersey number 14 out here, Enam. For our viewers, Enam was one of the goal scorers in the game against Maulai then, when they won it 2-1. Can he repeat his feat? A good cross, but cleared by the Maulai defense. Danger is still here, but Maulai, a flick, a head, chest, and goes to the wings, but the goalkeeper of Rangrajit, Banchams Kem Khasante, making sure that he doesn't repeat the same mistake again. Here comes Abbol Langkurba with a high cross. Jersey number 11, Wanlam Suk Nongklao with that header, but no one to support him out there. This is Maulai. And for those of you who have joined us, Maulai playing in yellow-green yellow, and Rangrajit in blue-black. The second half of the Shillong Premier League 2023, the finals. Right, here comes Rangrajit. Abbol Langkurba, sorry, that was jersey number 14, Enam Jirwa, with a cross, of foul committed out there, and rightly so. Free kick being awarded. Brolington with the ball. His pass, his clearance. Well, that's left up to Brolington's so-called understanding. Was that a pass or was that a clearance? But it has really gone out, and Abbol Langkurba will have the advantage to throw in. Right, there you go, Abbol Langkurba with that throw, but not as far as Maulai's possession. Here comes Maulai from the right. Could they get another goal? And a fall out there. Dislodged. Here comes Rangrajit. And a miss out there from Maulai. What can Rangrajit do? Can they capitalize? Here comes Rangrajit, jersey number 11, with that cross, but a poor cross along the ground. Probably a high ball would have been better. easily collected by Cyril Rimbai. Cyril Rimbai knows that Burlington is the experienced captain, the experienced player on the pitch right now. They know they can't afford mistakes. One goal cushion that they have. Can they rely on that? Here comes Ranajit, jersey number 4. A back pass. Ranajit 16. Here you go, opening up. Abolang Kurba. A pass to jersey number 37. Damiki Kongstia. Damiki Kongstia with the ball now. Abolang Kurba down the right. Trimiki. Across. Jersey number 11 out there. Wanlam Suk not really getting in with the back heel and the pass. Wanlam Suk appealing out there for a handball, but unfortunately not quite the decision that will go into his favor. And the cross from jersey number 4 is Aibyang Nongning going in for a corner. The lucky side where Maulai did really go in for that killer. The captain Balamlinti Khongji arguing with the referee. But probably in his mind that should have been a penalty, but Lightstar Khardut, the main referee, is not interested. There you go, the corner being taken. With that shot, Balamlinti cross and Maulai making sure that the ball is out of the dangerous area, and it's a throw in favor of Maulai. When you're losing, ladies and gentlemen, psychology, you feel that time is running out of your hand, and when you're winning, you feel that the time is really not ending up very soon. Ranajit with the ball. Ranajit with that pass to Wanlam Suk. Probably a foul must be given out there, but it's just a throw in. Here comes Enam. Enam passing it to jersey number 37. Damiki Kongstian. The captain Balam Kinti, and referee taking measures to make sure that the player who is down is not seriously injured, and probably the tackle out there then with one of the Ranajit players. The supporters coming in huge numbers. There you go, the physio. Ball dropped, and Ranajit with the ball now. And Jiroa. What can he do? Passes it to his captain. Well, that's brilliantly done by jersey number 37, Damiki Kongstiam, but too much to take, and a clearance in favor. Here comes Ranajit. Ranajit's 27, the captain. The back pass to jersey number 4. Aibyang Nongning. Jersey number 37, Damiki Kongstia. Here comes jersey number 14, Enam, but cross only to be stopped by Maulai's jersey number 2, Manskemlang Maulong. And it's a corner in favor of Ranajit. Benny with the shot now to take the corner. The shot being taken, and a header out there, a free header Jersey number 4, Ibiang Nongning, knew that. He just knew it. He had to head it in the right direction. Probably the execution wasn't right. And Sewell Rimbai taking his time, passing the ball to Burlington with that goal kick. Burlington Wallarpi clearing that ball away. Headed off by Alanki Nongset to his custodian, Banchan Scam Kasinteo. The captain now looking for that long ball to Aborlang Kurba. A throw in Aborlang Kurba's favor and his team's favor. A quick throw in. Tremiki not being able to gather that ball, easily decepted by jersey number 30, Arkibor Makro. Headed away by Rollingston Wallarpi. Here comes the captain. Good piece of skill out there, and it's a foul. And as you can see, the Maula bench not really agreeing to what the main referee Lightstar Khardoj has given. Jersey number 27, Balamlinti Khongji, the captain. It's a tough game. It's the finals, ladies and gentlemen. Winners walking away with a prize money of 3 lakhs. Who won that? Free kick in favor of Randa J, but no one to gather, no one to collect, and a really good stop out there, blocked, but jersey number 15, that was Alanki Nongset, making sure. He did come in as quick as lightning, but only for the ball to go to Sewell Rimbai's hands. Sewell Rimbai with that long clearance. Here comes jersey number 18. Benny Kriam passing it to jersey number 4 to the captain. Now Balam Kiti Khongji, jersey number 27, Enam Jirwa. Benny. Jersey number 16, Dibolmi Masa. That's Alanki Nongset on the far right. Looking for options for Aborlang Kurba, but unfortunately well decepted and well read by the defenders of Maula. Crowds gathering in for a nice sunny afternoon of Saturday, the 11th of May 2024. Here comes Ranajit with that pass. A nice little scoop, but not quite. Here comes Maulai, easily going strength to strength. Ibiang Nongning out there. But Benny coming into the rescue. Sorry, that wasn't Benny, that was Dibolmi Kasar to the rescue. Jersey number 2 of Maulai to take in throw in. Banskem Long Maulong. Ibiang Nongning. Passing it to Adlanki. Here comes Benny. The real midfielder out there. Here comes Enam. Far down the right. Once again trying to play it to the far right. Aborlang Kurba not quite getting the collection that he was supposed to. Probably didn't expect that the ball would be reaching in that direction, and it's a throw in favor of Maulai. At the moment, Maulai is one of Maulai's players probably suffering from some injury. It's a hard battle being fought between these two teams, and obviously, as you can see on your screen, 2 players warming up. Rajet Lang, one Shnong out there. Right, a clearance from Maulai. Rangda Jade. To the captain, Balamlinti Khongji. with that far clearance to jersey number 14, Enam Jirua. Looking for options, Enam Jirua. Brilliantly done out there. Good pass to jersey number 37 and a shot, but too wide. Too wide to offer. Damiki Konstia not quite in the range of the framework. Nothing to disturb, nor to pose any threat to Civil Rimbai. Civil Rimbai has not really been tested. Probably that was the first test in this half. A throw in favor of Rangnajit. That's number 4, Aibiang Nongneng. Here comes jersey number 15, Arlanki Nongset. Clearance from Maulai. Probably this is what the doctor has ordered, and here comes Benny. Benny with the ball to the captain, Balaminti Kongji. Here comes Enam. Good cross, but Maulai showing their presence at the right time. The foul being shown, and here you go. One of the Maulai's players probably injuring himself out there. Probably Rangnajit's players knowing that those could be those delay tactics. Brolington with that free kick. Maulai's cross and an appeal of a handball, but not quite listening to the appeal is the assistant referee to S. Dothdong. Clearance from Rangnajit. Jersey number 6, Tremiki, and a foul being committed in the process. What will happen here? Can Rangnajit come back and get that equalizer? We'll wait and watch. What strategy do they have out here? Could this be a brilliant header to equalize? Damiki Kongstia will look in and say, I'll take this myself, mate, and make sure you guys plunder in a goal out there. Good cross out there, but not really getting that flight. Enam Jirua with the ball. Here comes Damiki Kongstiam again. Dribbled one. Clearance from Maulai and a throw in favor of Rangnajit. Abbolong Kurba with the throw. He slips out there. A long throw in the end. Cleared by Maulai's defense. Once again, it's a throw in favor of Abbolong Kurba. Right, Abbolong Kurba with that long throw out there. Clearance from Maulai players, Maulai defenders. They know that one goal probably is not enough for them, but they are really defending their hearts out here. Jersey number 27, Balamkinti Kongji with that cross, but headed away by Arkibor Makro. Maulai's jersey number 30, Abbolong Kurba still with the ball right now, taking that cross, but not up to the mark that would have reached anywhere for his teammate Wanlamsuk Nongklau. And here comes the double change. Jersey number 18 Benny coming in, going out, sorry. Jersey number 17 coming in, and jersey number 10 as well, Stephen Pale, going out. With that clearance, and Rangnajit with the ball. Abbolong Kurba. The pass was just too much for Rangnajit to take guidance from there. Sewell Rimbai, just being the cool customer as he is, making sure that he can delay the game as far as possible. With the Maulai players going in for the same ball, and I'm sure one of them is injured, and that's when Lightstar Khardoit calling in. That was jersey number 10, if I'm not mistaken. 30, sorry, that was Arkibor Makro. Throw in Maulai's favor. Here comes Rangnajit. Rangnajit at the center. That is jersey number 17. Bansan Bha. Enam. Good chip. Probably for Enam's favor. Enam in the D, but a foul to jersey number 37, Damiki Konstia. Well, previous fouls probably did not matter to Lightstar Khardoit. Here comes Rangnajit. What can they do? They are a goal down. Let's wait and watch. Enam and jersey number 37. That is Damiki Konstia. The goalkeeper, Sewell Rimbai. He's at the edge. He knows anything can happen out here. It looks like Damiki Konstia with a shot and directly to Sewell Rimbai. Sewell Rimbai will make sure that no danger is towards his favor. Here comes Brolington. Brolington, all he needs to do is just clear the ball away. Not as far as his counterpart, Balamlankinti Khonji. Here comes jersey number 11. Playing a different role altogether, probably a midfielder, one Namsuk. Abol Lankudba. A back pass. Once again to his favor, but this time, jersey number 37. Damiki Konstia not really making that contact. A throw in favor of Rangnajit. Jersey number 4. Once again to jersey number 27, the captain, Balaminti Khongji. Enam Jirwa will get a throw in. Balaminti, jersey number 17, Bansan Bha. A tap in like that, quite dangerous. Rangnajit knew it, but they are out of danger now. Balaminti Khonji with that cross, a long through ball, but unfortunately in the hands of Sewell Rimbai. Maulai really in the driver's seat in the second half as well. They are defending like crazy. If only there were statistics shown as to how many attacks have been made by Maulai, probably you'll know that Rangnajit are really throwing themselves arsenal after arsenal, but probably luck not favoring them. Here comes Maulai with a cross. Maulai and it's an offside being called. Rangnajit with the ball now. The pass intercepted by Maulai. Maulai from the left, but not quite really get going. Here comes the back heel, and it's Maulai out there. Full moon. Jersey number 16, Full Moon Mukim. A foul against him. With jersey number 17, Rangnajit. Rangnajit now. The captain. Brilliantly done out there. He has dodged 3. Probably 6 more to go. And in this case, he is asking the referee, that should have been a card. But Lightstar Khardoit not interested. Jersey number 4. Ibiang Nongning. A good 1-2. Small through pass out there. Rangjit, what can they do? They back pass again. Ibiang Nongning. A good cross, but the goalkeeper Civil Rimbai making sure that no mistakes can be made from him. He needs to make sure that he carries on with this performance till the end, and probably injuring himself out there. Crowd loving this football match. They've come in huge numbers, probably watching their brothers, watching their sons, the next kit and kin playing this final game. Kudos to all the management of the Shillong Sports Association to bring out such a wonderful experience of the finals. Well, as for now, Rangjit making their next move. Right from the right. Here they come. Across. And that header could have gone to his own net. Maulai saved out there. Probably because if a magician would have been out there, he would have said, let me just shift this goal post 1 meter towards the right, and that could have been a goal in favor of Rangjit, but that is not the case to be. Here comes the corner with that shot. A header from jersey number 4. This is the second time Ibiang Nongning. A free header not being converted. That could have really been an own goal prior to this, but luck is really favouring Maulai at the moment. As you can see, Civil Rimbai taking his own sweet time. Looks for options. Doesn't get one altogether, and Rangjit making that clearance to none other than Banchans Kem Kharsantir. Right, Rangjit. Balamingti Khongji. To jersey number 37. Damiki Khongstia with that cross, but unfortunately into the hands of Civil Rimbai, who takes his time. He knows they have the upper hand psychologically, mentally, and probably physically. Clearance by the custodian of Rangjit, that was Banchans Kem Kharsantir. And as you can see, as the cameraman was panning towards the audience just now, both the teams have a very good fan following. Here comes Rangjit. Brilliant 1-2 touch out there by Inam as they come from the left. Young guns blazing, jersey number 10, Stephen Pale, looking for options. Will he cross or should he pass down to the midfield? And does. He passes down the midfield, taking a long ranger, but that shot was really just off the target. Not quite. Ivan Job shut out. The coach would have wanted that to happen. This is Civil Rimbai with the goal kick. There you go. Jersey number 4, Ibiang Nongning. The ball in favor of the throw-in Rangjit. Here comes Rangjit. Easily tackled away by Maulai out there. And Maulai's jersey number 6. Marius Laban. Right, a lot of. And here comes the first free kick into the danger zone. Fouled out there. Civil Rimbai trying to make sure to his teammates, probably to cover most of the area. At the moment, once again, it's 3 people trying to take that free kick shot. Abor Langkurba has decided he won't take it, and here comes the left footer. And that shot really did have the distance, but the power of the flight was just so disappointing. To all our viewers who are watching this is the finals of the Shillong Premier League 2023 organized by Shillong Sports Association. It is being held at the first ground of a shot out there by jersey number 11. Fairming Suting trying his luck. Who knows, that could have gone in, but not quite getting the target. Foul again on jersey number 15. That is unlucky Nonse. 2 balls on the ground. That's what jersey number 10 or jersey number 17 runs under her constant, making sure that one of them is out. Here comes jersey number 4. Good morning. Jersey number 27. The captain making a through ball out there, but unfortunately lands into the Maulai defense. And I'm out here with a cross, but a good clearance, a good heading clearance by Maulai. Here comes Rangdajit again, as you can see out here, positioned by Rangdajit, really going from strength to strength. But can they find that equalizer? That is what is eluding them for the past 40 minutes or so. They are reaching into Maulai's danger zone, but they're not being able to convert those kicks. They're not being able to convert those free headers. Abol Langkurba, what magic can he do with that long throw? We'll wait and watch. Here he comes. It's not a long throw anymore. This goes to Basantha. Comes back to jersey number 4, Ibiang. Ibiang being intercepted out there, but he makes sure he's at, doesn't commit that mistake of giving Rangdajit their second goal deficit. Right now, they're just 1 goal down. Shot out there, but not quite. And as you can see, Cyril Rimbai. Probably listening to what the coach has been saying all day long. Heading out there by one of the Maulai members, and it's Maulai players, I beg your pardon. Throwing in Rangdajit's favour, across diagonally towards the right. Unfortunately, Enam can just be a spectator out there. He knows he can't do anything. He's not a Superman on the field at the moment. Throwing in favour of Maulai. Throw in altogether. Jersey number 11, Fairming Suting. Well intercepted by jersey number 15, Unlucky Nonse. He knows that was an important interception. Otherwise, that would have been good night to Rangdajit United Football Club. Here comes Rangdajit. Well, all our viewers who are curious to know what is the prize money, well, the prize money is 3 lakh rupees. And the runners-up, they get half of it. That's 1.5 lakh rupees. Once again a cross, but easily blocked away and cleared by jersey number 2. That is Banskam Lang. Here comes Rangdajit, Abol Langkurba. And they make the run. Rangdajit again, but it is Brolington Wallampi with that crucial clearance with that header, and it is a corner in favour of Rangdajit. The corner to be taken. Rangdajit with that corner. It landed directly at the feet of jersey number 11. That was Wanlamsuk, but unfortunately cleared away by Maulai. Here comes Rangdajit. 4 players playing at the same position out there. Jersey number 17. Ranajit. Here comes Ranajit. Can he cross it nicely? Brilliantly done out there. Can that shot be taken? There has been some interception, but Maulai players, and you can see the supporters not really appreciating that. And there you can see one of the players of Maulai has been taken away in the sideline, probably injuring himself bravely just to prevent the equalizer from happening. Right, Enam with the ball, passing it to his captain, Balaminti. Once again, it's in possession of Ranajit. Enam to his left, to his captain, to his left again. Once again, Enam. Probably he needs to cross it. A good cross would have been a better option. Once again, it lands into Enam's feet. Cross again, but clearance from Maulai. If only there was a graph to plot against the offense and the defense, probably you would have seen some numbers, and good numbers for data analysts who would love to study this game. Clearance again from Maulai. Here comes Ranajit. Ranajit with Balaminti. Jersey number 16, Liborni Nasar. Cross. Up ball Kurba. Too far, too out, no one to help him. And it's in Maulai's safe pair of legs. Jersey number 60, Full Moon Mukim. Unfortunately, he does get, but it's a throw in favor of Ranajit most probably, but not really. The referee has given in favor of Maulai Sports Club. Tired legs, tired feet, tired faces. Look at the body language of Maulai. They know they still can't give up out here. A throw in. Here comes Maulai. Heading both two. Here comes. It was Enam, but then one of the heading, it did have a collusion out there. Light Star Khardoid not taking any chances. Jersey number 27, Dalaman Limti Khongji, urging his players that they need to show some character if they really want to win this game. Clearance from Maulai's defense lands into the goalkeeper Banchan Kasimpu. Right, here comes Ranajit, not getting the options that they were looking into. Maulai making sure that they're not committed to making any mistake as well. Right, here comes Ranajit down the right, up ball Kurba. Good cross, but here comes Enam, and his first touch disappointed him and the team as well, and in the process probably injured Civil Rimbai. Civil Rimbai has the ball now. Getting a long clearance to Banchan Kasimpu, his other counterpart in the other end. Right, here comes Balaminti Khongji, the captain, passing the ball and the long clearance. Jersey number 16 can only watch the goalkeeper and tell him not to waste time. Debormi Kasar. A long shootout by Civil Rimbai. The captain of Ranajit, Balaminti Khongji. Here comes Ranajit. Enam Jirwa. Let me tell you, the spectators, he has represented the country at the junior level. Talented player, but probably today luck is not in his favor. He did score against Maulai during the league matches. Here comes Randajit on towards the right, but unfortunately decepted again. Jersey number 4, Aibiang Nongneng. Right, Aibiang Nongneng with the cross. And goes for a throw in favor of Jersey number 17, Randajit. What a cross, what a header, and that did touch the crossbar. Everybody urging, is that a goal? Could that have been a goal? But it was his throw out here. He called for it. Bansan Bha squared it up. Jersey number 11, one lumps over that header, and it felt like the ball did go in, but unfortunately, to everyone's amazement, not an inch inside, and that's what assistant referee D. Ingti felt as well. What a cross that was, what a shot that was, a header that was. Sewell Rimbai for once was tested. Right, here comes Ranajit. Going in from the right, and a foul by one of the Maulai players, and yes, it is a foul. Assistant referee 1D Ingti did point that out. Now they're arguing whether that did enter into the goal or not. Lightstar Kharjot urging the players, get on with the game. Foul on Abol Langkurba. Let's see what can happen from here. That was that close as it can get for Randajit to come back for an equalizer, the least. Jersey number 37, Damiki Konstia. Probably looking back at his coach, getting some tips. Here you go. Damiki Konstia with that shot. Once again that header. Jersey number 16 out there. So many players, and he falls, and probably Lightstar Kharjot being the best man for the job makes sure that an unnecessary penalty would not have been given, but in this due course there has been a foul given against Abol Langkurba. Free kick, header, but no one in position out there, and that ball squanders away out of the frame. And that's the end of the final match. The referee has blown the long whistle. Really tears in the eyes of the Randajit players. And there you go, the Maulai supporters. Very happy to have come and witnessed this game. Maulai really showing what they are made up of. And there you go, celebrations galore. Maulai Sports Club, second year in succession winning the Shillong Premier League. Right, celebrations. There you can see the players with the managers and the coaches really happy. The trophy of the champions of the Shillong Premier League on your screens out there. The runners-up getting 1.5 lakhs, while the winners with 3 lakhs. Members of the Shillong Sports Association, the Randajit Club players, and happy faces of Maulai Sports Club. The jubilant supporters as well, who have come here and made sure that their time have not been wasted. Maulai on a roll. Maulai Sports Club. Over now to Apolet Shabang to take over with the medal ceremony as well as the prize ceremony from here.
Te ngila po siya kabakot jong gani ka lempong ila ka Shillong Premier League Arajar Arfulay ha kabaka Maulai Sports Club kalara ya kana mladu daga to ka sigol ka blatep ha ka minute ka ba Arfun Rio don la dingdo tingi don ban ngi ba wadaje lamre sa sisir ngila ya kren mene ya ka to ka gol ka don la du blatep ande ka rang lejet kam sim la ba kan pen phai ke ka daw
Nakadaw kalong ba si ka both the team on the second half they playing very well indeed but ka like kumangapit nga man Maulai kala 1 and 2 defensive term because they have to defend that goal. No, Shigol is more than enough to win the tournament, to win the game. Te ka position of Maulai kala change ka 4-4-2 which is defensive. So they playing the tactics very well because second half flat bit karang raji da kumno kan one all out bet no matter what. So since like what I said we don't coach become experienced like Ba Herring who's leading the Maulai Sports Club. The Kapani ba his experience works because why? Nganong if on the 45 minutes above, if he changed to 4-4-2, that means it's a defensive champion. Defend make a goal no matter what. But if he get one chance, he keep 1-2 strikers in front. They playing very direct football. Mata madayo ka ball, Shisian, Arsian, can come khamat. They'll attack on those attacks. That's it. See, experience kawan mo ba sabong. Experience kawan mo ba sabong, but kawai pat. Best thing about them, they use it to experience yung kikin. Kum for example, ki communicate. Because hapo yung ki buo na ki juniors. What la okay, kamet kamdala atro haru kata taru, but the words. You bro Burlington and you can see Full Moon, they keep on talking because why? They guide them, they lead them because why? For them, they have known football for so many years, how to defend that goal. Kalong no kumtagan like haki kilong kumtagan because main thing is communication.
Junction of Association. This is Joe. Nolor kita galas, ini rejung certificate. Cek, namun nak tim di Jogi silak sanfau aja. Speed.
Te ku plesi bon ba hering halu pad mo pila sasisin pila la ban betin lenti pat sama pi ya ka Maulai Sports Club bahkan rap yang ya ka nam ladu jong gani ka lempung ila ka Shillong Premier League jong usnam Raja Arpulai ke ka bo fidon ban ong hakum gani ka por ka pemerintah
ngam dan than man ong rai ka Shillong ba kamen mar ba kini ki kena mata ki bon ki dei ki bedang yu kejat ka sen ka meningkong ni ki don arngot langot ki ba don experience ti la ka bolong kumni ka MNC mi ki tim Shinong mar ba teng teng ki tim Shinong bon ki la kham tieng mentan mar ba ki ong ba ngimela bor ki la don stang ki club ki la song tho kum ki la jong ne kum ki rang da jet ne kum ta kum ki lang sning mar ka funding mar ka dei ka expenditure rai itu ba kam dan kam ya pisah bokong san gede kemen sim mandala ki dan berok nya trelang song na sport kam to te hendrai haba ki ong madaba ngadei trashnong klam tam kim dan coach te ngasngo ba ya kasnong la jong kadei hi ka kamram janga nganyarap ika kanu no lenti ngala ban betin nyiki bat ka
ki pat gijing ya apa marsin chimti kumnu piu I ka team kumnu piu I ki kena hot nada ki experience player fidon try tanguma arnu tanguma full moon tanguma bro ngi badon eru bapli kala haban lino selaka kam kedok ka bakila yo te kumno tare ka kumno ka perlong fidon jinge ayo kita ka
ka jing ngam don hin adu ni kong ro ngong iki ngam na kuslai than ba fidon ki player kumno ka bokong san galong dang tang ba phila ban penwan ki player samadan te kadai kamram janga ban iyo hendrai mental la klem player dengan le iyo tengok orang ada kino ro ki ong sar ngidon ki ba rim ki ong ki bamput jelek ngom lele ki elek ki melek tam ki lawan samadan kamot kladis kamram janga ban betin lenti ki pat.
So as you can see, Maulai Sports Club deservingly the winners of the Shillong Premier League 2023. And with that, we've come to the end of this exciting final match between Rangnajait Football Club and Maulai Sports Club. What an afternoon it has been. Thank you so much. Thank you, viewers. We'll see you soon back in the Shillong Premier League 2024.